In this video, you're going to find out what's so amazing about Carnival Liberty. I'm going to let you know about the amazing food. Then we're going to dive into the incredible bars on board. After that, let's talk about some of the best activities you can find on the Carnival Liberty. And I'm going to share a couple special tips for you too. Hang around and I'll let you know how you can get your own copy of our digital download, our Carnival Liberty Ship Guide. Let's start talking about the food. One of my favorite parts of any cruise, the food. Got to start with the amazing Diamond Steakhouse. The steakhouse on board, specialty dining, costs a little extra, but the food is amazing. Be sure to get a ribeye, great appetizers, amazing desserts, and the steaks, lobster, so many great choices. Amazing service at Diamond Steakhouse. One flat fee up front, and you'll have an amazing dinner. Guy's Burger Joint doesn't cost you anything extra, and that's a great choice for lunch or just a snack. Go to Guy's Burger Joint and get one of the classic Carnival burgers and fries. Get a burger from their menu board, or get a burger, a basic burger, and top it at the toppings bar. Make it all your own. Add some caramelized onions, some bacon bits, crumbled up real bacon. And don't forget the docky sauce. Blue Iguana Cantina is also complimentary, just across from Guy's Burger Joint by the pool. You can go there for breakfast or lunch and get yourself a burrito. The tortillas are even made right there on the ship, and they'll put together your burrito or a taco according to however you want it. Delicious. Another option that doesn't cost anything extra is the Carnival Deli. Carnival Deli has amazing sandwiches made just the way you want them. I recommend the Reuben. Delicious. If pizza's more your speed, check out Pizza Pirate. All day long, pizza's prepared to order just the way you want them. Fresh and delicious. Great for a meal or for a snack. One more place I got to mention is the Seafood Shack. The Seafood Shack costs a little extra, a la carte prices, but amazing food, from lobster rolls to the amazing buffalo fried shrimp. I strongly recommend that to make that one of your lunches or for an afternoon snack. Before we talk about the bars, just want to ask one favor. Please give us a like if you're enjoying this. Hit the thumbs up down below. It really helps us out. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with Alchemy Bar. Alchemy Bar is one of the newer concepts on Carnival Cruise Lines, and Carnival Liberty has it. The mixologists will whip up a special cocktail according to your preferences, or choose a craft cocktail from their very creative and interesting drink menu. If you enjoy sports bars, you're in luck. Skybox Sports Bar has games on the TVs, great beer, great times at the Skybox Sports Bar. If you want to head outside, go to the pool and head to the Red Frog Rum Bar. Get yourself a nice drink in a souvenir cup. Check out the drink of the day. Or head to the other side of the Lido deck. Across the other side of the pool is Blue Iguana. The Blue Iguana Tequila Bar has great drinks as well. Two great options out there in the sun, out there by the pool. Another option if you're looking for a little quieter experience, on the same deck, head to the back of the Lido deck to the aft pool bar. Kind of hidden and tucked away back by the quieter pool is a quieter bar. I recommend it if you just want to get away and have a quieter experience and enjoy a great drink. Another option I must mention is the Piano Man Bar. A great late night spot. Head on over to Piano Man Bar and enjoy the music as the entertainer plays great songs, sing along, just relax with a drink and have a great time at the piano bar. Now let's talk about some of the great activities on board. Carnival Liberty has a lot of great activities, including, of course, for the kids, they got the kids clubs. Camp Ocean, Circle C, Club O2. Great fun for the kids. And when they want to do something a little different, they can head to the Twister Water Slide or the Video Arcade. Of course, those last two options are open to kids at heart as well. Another option, head out to the pool for dive-in movies. In the evening, you can find movies, playing on the big screen over the pool. That's a lot of fun. Another option in the evening, head out to playlist production shows. Great shows, amazing entertainers, music, dancing, a lot of great fun. If comedy's more up your alley, head to the Punchliner Comedy Club. Great comedians entertaining you, 2 shows daily, an earlier show that's a little more family friendly, and a later show that's a little more PG-13. Punchliner Comedy Club, you definitely want to check that out. Carnival Liberty has a great spot for adults. Go lay out during the day at the Serenity Adults Only Retreat. A very relaxing spot to enjoy the view and lay back in the sun. One more option, so I mentioned that for the adults, let's mention one more for the kids, the Build-A-Bear Workshop. The Build-A-Bear Workshop that you may be familiar with back on land, well, they've got Build-A-Bear Workshop at sea. They actually bring the bears and the equipment they need to build your own special bear, customized for you, a souvenir to take home and enjoy. How awesome is that? And now for a couple of tips. To avoid the long line at the buffet in the morning, head to Blue Iguana. Blue Iguana Cantina has great tacos and burritos at lunchtime, but in the morning, they have amazing breakfast burritos. Go there and get a burrito filled with all the morning time ingredients, eggs, sausage. And if you want a little crunch factor, get some of those crunchy potatoes added to your burrito. It's a great option. One more tip, don't overlook the Flowers Lobby Bar. When you're boarding the Carnival Liberty, you'll probably walk right through the atrium and you may notice a bar there. You might forget about it until later, but don't forget about it for too long because every evening a lot of great activities go on there. From live music, entertainment, you might see your cruise director down there making things really fun. If you want a quieter experience, go there during the day. It's a great spot to just hang out, has more of a lounge atmosphere during the day. Sit there and have a drink, have a conversation. Don't miss out on the Flowers Lobby Bar day or night. It's a great spot. One last tip, be sure to get your Carnival Liberty ship guide. This digital download tells you what's on board, where to find it, what costs extra, and we're even throwing in our Carnival Liberty bar crawl. This is a fun way to enjoy the bars on board and experience the bars together with your traveling partners. We hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to join us Mondays at 8 o'clock when we go live on YouTube. We have special guests, great interviews, more cruise information. You won't want to miss out. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell on. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on the newest and greatest cruise information. Thanks for watching.